Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about one of my favorite beauty products. This is Lollitint by Benefit. I've actually been purchasing this since like 2013. It's a wonderful, wonderful lip stain and it's really light. So while this is not something that I would wear for a night out because it's just not dark enough for me, like for a night out, it's absolutely perfect for just like a day at work or just during the day because it actually moisturizes your lips really, really nicely. And it gives like a really great color as well. So this is something that I just do all my makeup and then it's the last thing I put on. It's a sheer candy-orchid stain that gives a pop of flirty blush. It's a really fun, like poppy pink kind of color. It's very, very simple to use as well. And Benefit's been around actually for a really long time. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it before, but they have a counter over at Macy's, Ulta, and then of course online. So you've probably seen it or heard of it before as well. And they do come in other colors as well, but this is my favorite one. So it has the candy-orchid tinted lip and cheek stain. So you can use this on your cheeks as well. I never have really, but I could just because I use other stuff on my cheeks. But you could, and I use it just on my lips for right now. So this is a 4.0 milliliter, 0.13 full ounce bottle by Benefit from San Francisco, California. And what's this code there? 94104. And the product is made in France. So this product is actually smudge-proof. It's a really long-lasting lip and cheek stain. It adds a beautiful flush of pink to lips and cheeks with true staying power. It is smudge-proof and smooch-proof. Color lasts day to night, which is 100% true. It does last a really, really long time. And you really never have to redo it or anything like that. Even after eating, you might want to just apply a little bit, but it really it stays on until you wash it off with your makeup remover or face wash or whatever you're using. So I'm going to open this up so you guys could see how nice it is. Really easy to take off the screw top. And then you see how beautiful the color is. It actually, like if you didn't know any better, you'd probably think this was nail polish and not a lip stain, right? Because it kind of like the way the tube looks and everything, it looks like it's a nail polish, but no, it's a lip stain. And like I said, a little bit truly goes a long way. I know you guys can't see in there, but there's definitely a good amount left, and it feels smooth and really, really nice. And this is the color, so it doesn't overdo it with the color. So if you're like, I know a lot of women, I'm kind of daring with what makeup I choose to wear and stuff, but I know some people, like some friends, are just not comfortable using like a dark color or a bright color, and that's totally fine. So I think this is kind of like in between, because it's in between a really, no, I wouldn't say it's in between a bright color. It's in between like a neutral color and like a little bit of a bright color, because just the pop pink is so much fun. It reminds me of like a bubble gum, and the way it stays on is wonderful. And it's even better that you guys could use it on your cheeks too. I use highlighter and blush on my cheeks and sometimes bronzer, especially in the winter. But you know, you guys already have your tan going on and you just want to add a little bit of like a color to give your cheeks a little bit of life. This is totally, totally perfect for that. And the little small tube could fit right in your makeup bag. So it's small, and I love the way it looks. Like it's, the pink on here looks like the color of the product. So like this pink, not the brighter one. And it's just so cute. And Benefit is a really wonderful product. I've been buying their stuff for quite some time, and I've always been really happy with it. So I have absolutely no complaints about this product. Wonderful, can literally fit in your pocket. So if you guys if you ladies have a night out and you can only carry like a small clutch with you, it'll fit right in there. So guys, this was Lollitint by Benefit, wonderful lip stain and cheek stain in a beautiful color, lasts all day. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. See you later.